Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hide your story and lives from specific users on Instagram. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is sign into your Instagram account and select your profile icon in the bottom right corner. And then once you're on your profile page, select the hamburger icon in the top right and then go underneath where it says who can see your content. And you want to go where it says hide story and live. So hide story and live from. You can hide it from specific people by selecting inside of here. And then you can search for your people on the list. And then you can add them to the list. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.